this is Sayali from Sayali's Art. Today we are painting a canvas with a Christmas theme. First, I have drawn a drawing on a canvas. If it's visible, and then I'm going to paint it. It's an acrylic painting. Please watch till the end. I am going to tell you how to correct your own mistakes and make your painting more beautiful. I am painting the white snow and the blue sky, then completing the details. Two boys, snowman, reindeer, and trees. After completing it, you need to shade the sky, the trees, everything to make it a bit real. Now the painting looks good, but the sky has to be more to make it more attractive. So moving the sky a layer down. Now thinking and thinking. Adding trees and very small details. This is a special gift from a friend to her dearest friend. I am just the one to give her feelings picture. And if you are in and around Pune and want such customized paintings, please do contact me on my mail or write to me in the comment box below for more details. Thank you. I have used black pen in between for outlining as the painting has very small details. And this beautiful snow, without which the Christmas painting can't be completed. Some snowfall on trees. I hope now it looks complete. At last, varnish the painting to make it permanent. And a small Santa tag with the painting. Please do comment me how did you find my painting. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful week.